uyazi umnaka broadcast show morning drive khumbula ukuthi sinama-drive la drive afethu sine-morning drive bese soba ne-afternoon drive ne-evening drive mfethu but funa ukutshela kumfowethu ukuthi evening drive ngasikhipha khona kakhulu mfowethu from Monday to Thursday mfowethu la ngithi khona mfowethu wena you have the right to choose your beautiful song or your beautiful music bese ngidlalela wona live on air mfowethu umamela usho uthi mfowethu shaya kamnandi inkomo mfowethu mnaka uyahlala music mfowethu asiphinde sibonaneni ngalokhu sakumfowethu mina ngihambile alright chap anukutshela Bram like wena ubani igama lakho Bram ubani Khumuto alright wena ubani Bram
Oh, I go by the name K99, representing Mambisa, the East Rain. Yeah, you know what it is, dog.
alright mina ngilizwa kahle igama awungitshela ukuthi ngibani
K99.
okay 99 alright yeah anukutshela mbafethu kahle niphi ngani la
I feel it. As you know, Joe, in Timbisa, Rablomile Machita, Joe, just hitting a couple of years or top, I'm relaxed or
yeah wandiplome namajita just ukusikhipha nje just ukuhlala nyana namajita khona la anukutshele so bafethu it's like what are you doing in life kahle nenzani in life
I feel it. I do music, Joe. So that's my 9 to 5.
Oh,
yeah.
okay ushaya umusic wena uyacula kahle ngose ngivina kahle la kuma bloodbusters ngathi kune-artist lapho bafethu yeah alright yeah so mfowethu ngicela ukubuza mina kahle na it's like have you been like uko perform somewhere like when
Yeah, I even host events myself. I even have an upcoming event on the 3rd of October titled Rep Your Block. So meaning represent your block. I hosted like 2 shows last year.
Yeah.
One was in October, the other one was in November. So yeah, that's what I do. I host shows. I make sure that every artist from Tembisa come along and we just show our talent, showcase. If ever we don't know you, we get a chance. You know.
So where's my brother kunani like kunanye group ne angazi umbeyazi bathi Indulini Crew Dancers khona Indulini Crew Dancers angazi ye dance nje abantwana ba dance nje bakhona la Indulini
I feel it. Honestly speaking, I would really love to know them, but I don't know them. I've never heard of them because I'm not familiar with dancers, but rappers and artists, singers.
Kunenye le iyacula bathi ngiyokwenzakalani yakhona nayo imanager yale Ndulini Crew Dancers iyacula nayo la out inokuphuma kuma Thembisani kuma Thembisani so inokuphuma khona la so awungitshela mfowethu ngifuna ukwazi like umculo wakho na uthi wena ucula ini hip hop
Yeah,
ushaya hip hop na
music,
ushaya okay right
rap,
yeah so awungitshela like for example so nesikhathi singanani wenza ubuculo
Hey, so far it has been 10 years. 10 consecutive years.
It's been 10 years wenza umculo so leyo hlethi nayo ngala yini ebra yakho
from SCP20.
ngiyakubona ikapela ama-round ikushayela ama-round ngiyayibona ukuthi
9 to 5 ngisebenza la eTakealot but then ngoba sisebenza nge-agent sisebenza nge-schedule so you never go to work nge-roster wazi ukuthi okay sisebenza so na so but then mawaschedulanga awuye emsebenzini ubona ngila
or noma uschedulanga awuye emsebenzini
angekuye bangakuschedulanga
okay so now may perform out sometimes ayilekelela or that okay right so
studio ngikuya naye studio
alright unzima ublind out so awungitshela ubani umuntu olongathanda ukuthi akufeature madoda uma bangathi bakunezele opportunity yokuthi feature umuntu othize artist blind enkulu kakhulu la Casper Nyovese
nakubathi Questa bafeature I don't want to lie Questa is an idol Questa is OG I don't care what you guys say tell me about fame or plans or whatever but that guy Bafeature is my fucking role model you know he made me believe you know that it could work
okay so but awungitshela uma bakufunda wena abantu bazokuthola kuphi nabakufuna like abantu bathi okay right siyakufuna uzoperformance wena ethize bangithola kuphi
okay I have my social handles Facebook you can find me at K99SA or you can type K99_SA.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
and on IG as Woody Black _ entertainment. And on TikTok as well is K99_SA. YouTube K99_SA. Hashtag Woody Black. Yeah, that's where I'm from. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Manje WhatsApp on now.
What's up? Yeah, I do have.
In number
also-
yako eating.
Okay, 065
Yeah.
65
65
48
48
478.
478. I'll pin
that's my
again.
business line.
I'll pin
065
065
65
65
48
48
478.
478 number
Yes,
yakho
sir.
labanga
Yes,
bamba
sir.
khona
Yeah,
WhatsApp.
that's my
Bafethu
business
igama
line.
lami uDr. Ntwana kamsitho bafethu. This is my SABC TikTok. Umnaka broadcast show la bafethu. Ukhuluma no my brother lana bafethu. He's an artist bafethu. And then ungambuka noma ngabe ngidina bafethu uzofika la ukhona khona my brother. Danko asiphenze sibonane for the second time bafethu. Ina kusaphuma so.
Oh,
Shopping bafethu.